trades never stop. They're 100% necessary. There's always somebody that's going to need something fixed. Things need to be built, roads need repair, bridges need to be repaired. And since metal is an integral part in everything that we do in America, there's always going to be a need for welders. My name is David Heitzenroeder, and I'm a graduate of the combination welding program at Tidewater Tech. Previously, I spent 20 years in the United States Air Force as an ammunitions troop. Following that, I retired and took a job up at Fort Eustis with a logistics company, working as a safety coordinator. After 20 years of being in the military, I realized that the most joy that I had was when I was on the floor working. And that's why I went back to school for this. I wanted to take what was left of my life and at least see if I can do it. And so far, I've been somewhat successful as a rookie. This school is amazing. There's a lot that this school teaches you that you get in a short amount of time, where apprentices may take a little bit longer to get. You know, we have academic lessons for, an hour or two a day, and then we also have our lab time. The instructors that are in the lab are awesome. Some of them are true craftsmen in what they do, and they have hundreds of years combined experience. And at any day, you just have to ask, and an instructor will come over. They're not just gonna, show you and then walk away. They're gonna be there to help you and guide you. So if they're telling me to fix something, I'm just gonna listen. I think that good advice and honest feedback is what makes some of the instructors just truly spot on. One of the things they taught us on day one was that to be a welder, you have to be able to stand for yourself, have confidence in your work. The certifications that we get here through the American Welding Society are awesome. And with welding, you only got one shot. That's important because that certification allows me to weld at a structural level. If I was to take a job and not have that certification, I could put people at risk. I really appreciate the program because as we start building through the lessons, you start building that confidence. By the time you're ready to take your exam, you're confident in the product that you're putting out. Refocusing my efforts on a skilled trade, it's not only rewarding, it's satisfying. It's satisfying to put in a hard day's work, to know that you just built something. You never stop learning. You never stop trying to grow as a person. And you should always be passionate about what you're learning. Get your school done. Get it. Do something you love.